Whoa, no. This is how to fly a kite with no wind. You gotta run like the wind. Tate, that's really good. Watch out, Tate. Whoa, low flying bee.
Oh, good job, Biz. Right there. Run. It's like everybody wants to get.
Where are we going to the tree, guys? Oh, God. Oh, a little bit of time.
She was attacked by...
Wow, it's really going good, honey. All right, let's do them again. Go, Charlie, go. Nice one.
Yes. No. Come on.
Go, Mason, go.
Wind.